There is some crazy exciting news happening with Kajabi right now, so I had to make a video about it. That's right, Kajabi has just released a beta launch of their new Kajabi payments program. So in this video, I'm going to do a quick rundown of what the Kajabi payments update includes and how you can get involved in the beta access if this is something that's exciting for you. So on the screen, you can see the beta program update for Kajabi payments. Essentially, Kajabi is now expanding the payment options that will be available to Kajabi users to try and get more options available for your potential students. So that includes access to Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Afterpay. I'll put the link to this beta sign-up page in the description area below this video. But real quick, you can see here that one of the new updates to the Kajabi payments feature is that you will have one single location to manage the accepting of payments, as well as managing transactions, generating receipts, issuing refunds, receiving payouts, and pausing and canceling subscriptions. Now, this is really exciting because this has been asked quite a bit in the Kajabi Hero group for how to achieve this. And in the past, you would have to log into your Stripe account or your PayPal account if your students, if your customers wanted receipts for their purchases, for any sort of invoicing, or if you wanted to pause and cancel subscriptions, it was kind of clunky to do in the previous user interface. So this update is going to be huge. Essentially, what Kajabi is doing is eliminating the need for you to log into Stripe at all, really. And now you will have one place to manage all of your payment processing needs. So that's super exciting. Now, on top of that, you are expanding the ability for methods in which your customers can pay for your products and services. We already had the ability to do credit cards, but now you've got debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Afterpay. Now, if you aren't familiar with Afterpay, here's the best way to describe it. Essentially, Afterpay allows people to pay in installments, except they are paying in installments to Afterpay, and Afterpay will pay you one lump sum initially. So think of it like if you were to finance a car or finance a brand new computer, etc., you might get, say, a loan from a financing institution, and then that loan would pay off the purchase, and then you would pay the loan back over payments. So instead of you having to take on that burden of, say, 3 payments over 3 months or 6 payments over 6 months, you can charge one payment up front, and then your customers can decide to pay in installments to Afterpay. That's a quick kind of overview, but essentially it allows you to get paid up front for your courses, for your services, instead of having to finance over several payments, and instead having Afterpay take that burden on for you. So that is super exciting. And of course, you now have one location to track all the performance, all the reports, all the analytics for your purchases. And hopefully, I don't know yet, but I'm hoping we're going to be able to see order bumps and upsells more clearly in terms of conversion data, etc. But this is exciting to see. And of course, as I said, there's more details on this page for how it all works, details on the fees, which is basically the Stripe fees, safe and secure, etc., etc., etc. So if you want to see all the details for this, like I said, click the link below this video. You can get all the details, but this is super exciting. Now, the key thing to remember is that right now, this is only going to be open to US-based Kajabi heroes for the beta program, and then they will roll it out internationally in the future. So if you are in the States, unfortunately, I'm not. I'm up in Canada, so I'm living vicariously through you. But if you're in the States, definitely check out this beta. Hopefully you can get access. I'm looking forward to seeing some of the updates and stories from people involved. And in the meantime, if you want to stay updated on new feature updates as they roll out, cool new ways to apply these to your business, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you get notifications on my upcoming videos. And if you're curious about one of the other recent beta programs from the past, you might want to check out this video right here. In the meantime, I'll talk to you soon.